I remember when I first asked you to dance, and you said no. I thought you were very bougie. Look at us now. We ended up kissing that night, and that's when I knew you were the only one I wanted to kiss forever.
We fought it for so long. Give me the night to breathe in your body.
I vow to love you unconditionally and respect you as my equal. Hold on. I vow to always show up for you and do the work needed to strengthen our relationship. I vow to defend you and protect you. I promise to make you laugh when you're sad, to console you in times of sorrow, and be your #1 fan. Thank you for being my friend, my lover, and my favorite Netflix and chill partner. I can't wait to be your husband. I love you.
I'm saying your name. I'm saying your name.
You are the one I want to spend eternity with. You make me the happiest girl in the world. You're my best friend, my partner in crime, and I love that you always make me laugh. I can't wait to spend a lifetime with you, and I can't wait to call you my husband. I love you, S'mores.
I love you, S'mores.
By the power vested in me by the state of California, I now pronounce you husband and wife.
Love you.
Family and friends, I present you for the first time in a lifetime of love together, Mr. and Mrs. Faletagaloa.
I'm saying
I love you.
I'm saying your name.
I love you, Dan.
My daughter.
Love you, Mom.
So pretty. Congratulations. That was a blessing.
Love you.
and it's all alive, turning into dust. It's not enough, I feel it in my blood. And it's all alive, we're past my step. It's not enough, turning into dust. There's a fire, there's a fire burning.